Today's recipe is orange chocolate chip muffins. Okay, we're going to take our sugar that I've already zested an orange into, and we're going to put that in a bowl. Now I zested this orange and added it to the sugar about an hour ago. So let it sit for about an hour. We're going to put in our flour and our baking powder and our salt. And we're just going to combine that all together. Now these muffins, my daughter has said, taste like those terry chocolate balls that have orange in it, so they're very delicious. Now in a separate bowl, we are going to add our oil. And our sour cream. Our milk. Our orange juice. Our vanilla, and 2 eggs. And we're going to stir this until it's all incorporated. Now I used the juice from orange, but you could also use bottled juice if you have that. Now we're going to pour these ingredients into our dry ingredients. And we're going to stir this until it's combined. And then we're going to fold in our chocolate chips. I used semi-sweet chocolate chips. You could use dark chocolate, you could use milk chocolate. And then we'll put this into our sprayed muffin tin. These make 12 good-sized muffins. And then we're going to sprinkle some chocolate chips on top. And we'll place this in a 375-degree oven for about 18 minutes, or until toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let it cool for 5 minutes before transferring to a cooling rack. Enjoy. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.